It's a hell of a lot of information. Hopefully it's valued. Hopefully a lot of it's new to you. Go speak to my competition. That's all I can say. You know, it's my very, very best sales tool. Actually, the thing that would be best for you, you can spend 3, 4, 5, 6 months trying to glean all of this stuff. I've talked to you, I don't know what it is, been an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe. Think of it, okay? We offer a program, it's called Mud University, MudBots University. That's, you get your team together, people you want to bring, you're excited, bring them here. Spend 2 days, one-on-one with me and other people that are running the printer. You will run the printer, you will print with the printer, you will put in electrical, you will put in electrical boxes and plumbing and fiber optics and all kinds of cool crap. Be the funnest 2 days you've had. If you try and just piecemeal this here and there and a Zoom call here, that takes months and months to get through the process. I'm talking if you're just like, you know, and the way this started was we required everybody to go do all that stuff before they would come here, because it's stupid to let people come here and waste 2 days with them, you know, buy them lunch, laugh at their jokes, you know, running the printer, doing all of this kind of stuff if they're not in a position to buy. It's kind of like a realtor. If you want to buy a $500,000 home and you want me to run you all over California showing you $1 million homes, I want to know first that you're pre-qualified for a $1 million home. Otherwise, I'm not going to buy you lunch and run you around in my convertible to waste my time. It's common sense, okay? Some people get real, you know, a little bit hurt about it or whatever else. And people say, James, you're a hard company to start dating. I understand, okay? I get it, I understand. But we had a buyer that didn't want to go do all this stuff, and he's like, just trust me, I've got all kinds of money and I'm this and I'm that and everything else. And I'm like, you want me to trust you, but I don't know you, and I've heard 100 people like you say that they got all of this and everything else and they're rich and they did 400 homes last year, and turns out to be a bunch of BS. So I just got tired of discussing. I'm like, you know what, you want to come out here in 2 days, $4 grand, send me $4 grand and I'll ignore all my common sense and I'll spend 2 days with you and you can print and we'll do everything. And he's like, done. Like, wow, I expected you to say go to hell. And he's like, done. That is such savings to me. I just want to sit down. I'm a legitimate buyer. I'm good to go. And I don't have time to do all this. I just want to spend 2 days with you, James. I want to ask you every single question. I'm going to bring my people. They're going to put you through the paces. But what we will do is, if you're in that category, and that's how that program was born. $4,000, best money I ever spent, to not waste a $500,000. So that's where MudU came from, and that's why we do it, and I recommend you do it. Come spend a couple days with us. Let's print, let's have fun. We'll answer every question. The only thing we ask, call around to my competition and ask some of these questions. There's 150. No one's going to sit on the phone for 150 questions. You send them an email, they're just going to go, whatever. So they did do that, and they were good to go, and they came out here and they ended up buying, and we're like, this is a great program. This is what serious buyers need to move forward. That all being said, thank you guys. There's a lot. If you think about it, it's a couple hours. We've spent 2 days at MudU, trainings 5 weeks. Okay, we haven't even touched the surface, but I've hit on some of the main key points, enough for you to at least say, I'm not going to go call everybody and ask 150 questions, but I will ask questions about these 15 things that James spent time talking to me about today. Anyway, peace out. Look forward to seeing you guys, and let's go make some money. Thank you.